इसीलिए कहते हैं दोस्तों, हर जगह मुंह नहीं मारना चाहिए। कभी कभी हर शिकार शिकार नहीं होता।
Amazing weapons.
I hit him hard.
Opening it!
Get it shut. Pull it back.
Look at the size of him.
Look at this. The lion's bowing. I can't believe it. They're bowing to him. This is impossible.
Josh.
Hold on! Atlas, off! Off! It's gonna get in! Stay behind me! Atlas, leave it! Leave!
Jesus, he's so...
Oh, they're gonna fight.
Listen.
He's pushing the lion back.
Unbelievable. Stand.
Off him! Easy! Go! Oh my God! Get up! Go! Boy, let him run! Unbelievable!